Hey you guys, it's your girl D, and I'm back with another entrepreneurship video, and this is number 4. You guys, thank you so much for all your support. Ever since I started doing this series, I noticed that I'm getting more views, and I'm getting more feedback, and I'm absolutely loving it. And I thank everybody for being so positive, or just wishing me well on my business, or just dropping like a heart or a smiley face. It feels amazing. So I want to thank you guys for all your support. If this is the first video that you're watching, please go back and watch 1, 2, and 3. You don't have to do it in the order, but please, after this video, go watch them, and please show your girls some support. Please subscribe, please give it a thumbs up, and please click that notification bell so every time I post a video, you guys see it. As you can tell by the title, I am going to talk about how you can stay positive in life, in your business, emotionally, and everything, to where you can stay positive and stay grounded with yourself. There are a lot of people who will try and bring you down. People who are close to you might try and bring you down, or just don't have any faith in them. And you know, it sometimes takes a toll on us, but we cannot always let others' words affect us, because they're not the one that's going through the process. They're not in your shoes. So why care what they think? If it's negative thoughts, block those negative thoughts. I know it's hard and it's easier said than done, but in the long run, you will feel better. You won't have that stress of doubt, or you not believing in yourself, and that's something you really need. So for you to surround yourself with people who are positive, who are on the same road as you, who are on the same level as you, and probably even higher, so you could strive to do better. Because the people you surround yourself, the more they work towards their goals, the more you work towards your goals, because you see them getting what they want out of life. So anyway, I'm going to give you guys 5 things of how to stay positive. So these are just things that I do personally, things that make me feel better. They might not work for you, but you know, give it a try and see if it works for you. So the first way to stay positive is to believe in yourself. Never, ever, ever doubt yourself. Always give your 100%. Whenever you do something, like when it's your dream or something that you strong, very passionate about, believe in yourself, regardless of what others say, regardless of what others think. Do what makes you happy. That is the only way you are going to strive to be better in life. That's the only way you're going to achieve your goals. So believe in yourself is key, and don't let anybody or anything interfere with that. So number 2, this one, you know, it's totally up to you or what you believe in, but either pray or meditate, or I don't know, do something to where it kind of gives you peace. I pray and I meditate. I feel like the combo for me, it makes me feel better about myself. I am Christian. I grew up Christian, so I pray to the Lord. And I also meditate, and when I meditate, I'm putting it out there to the universe, but also praying at the same time. And I feel, after every time I meditate, I feel better about what I'm doing, about how I'm feeling. I feel like I could do anything I put my mind to, and that's an awesome feeling. So whatever you have to do, whether it's praying, whether it's meditating or yoga, or even if go paint or draw, whatever brings you peace and center with yourself, do that. And number 3 is surround yourself with people that, like I said, are on your level or a level above, or and that are positive. You never want to surround yourself with negative people, because if you surround yourself with negative people, it will take a big toll on your life. You will start to think negative. Things in your life will start to be negative. And being negative gets you nowhere in life. So surround yourself with people who are going to motivate you, and who are going to believe in you, and who are going to stay positive even when you are at your worst, even when you are down, but they're still there. It's giving you that positive feedback, those positive vibes. You need people like that in your life to make you feel better and stay grounded and positive when you're at your lowest. So number 4 is setting goals. And setting goals is key to positivity and getting what you need out of life. When you set goals and when you write them down and when you see them daily, you will eventually achieve those goals. You will eventually, get to where you want to go, because you're seeing them every day, and you believe in yourself, and you believe that the universe or whatever you believe in will bring you good even when you are in the bad. Set your goals, because if you don't have any goals, you're not going to know what your next step is going to be. And to be like that, it's awful. Your life is chaotic. So set goals for yourself. Make sure you see them daily, so you could remind yourself, like, oh yes, I need to do this so I can get to that next step. So just set goals for yourself, and set them to where you can see them visually, and tell them to yourself so you can hear them mentally and emotionally. Just set goals and believe in yourself, you guys. And number 5 is do what you love. If you do what you love, how could you be negative in life? Like, how? Do what you love, regardless of who is in your ear telling you to do this or telling you to do that. Do what you love, because that's the only way you are going to be happy in life. That's the only way you are going to be positive. So do what you love. Take those risks. Take those steps that it's scary, but I promise you, you will feel so much better when you take that step and you achieve your goal, or you even get past your goal. Like you set your, when you set, your limits to the sky, you could do whatever you want. So do what you love. Do what you love, and don't ever let anybody ever stop that. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Do what you guys love, and I promise you guys, there's just no room for negativity. So I hope these 5 tips helped you guys. I know I talked a lot, but this is something that has really helped me. These are 5 steps that's really helped me in achieving my goals and being positive in life, and having higher expectations for myself, because I truly believe in myself, and I know I could do whatever I set my mind to. So I just want to share my thoughts with you guys, and I hope these 5 tips and me rambling helped you guys in your life and whatever you're going through. I hope this helped you guys. Please, again, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Love you guys. Bye. Do that again. Okay, so now that I have these in the little baggies, I'm going to put them in my little mesh bags.